Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Apple Music to your Google TV so you can stream all your favorite songs, playlists, and albums directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. This is where you can browse and download all available apps for your Google TV. Step 3. Select Search for Apps and type Apple Music using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official Apple Music app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Install to download Apple Music to your Google TV. The installation may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to your home screen. You will see the Apple Music icon among your apps. Step 7. Open the Apple Music app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Apple ID credentials. If you don't have an Apple Music account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 8. After signing in, you can browse your playlists, search for your favorite songs, or explore curated playlists and albums. Apple Music also allows you to enjoy radio stations and personalized recommendations. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the Apple Music app on your home screen and move it to a convenient location so you can open it quickly. That's it. Apple Music is now installed on your Google TV, and you're ready to enjoy all your favorite tunes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.